A review of the stay at the Le Grand Courlan Spa and Resort. So I went into the lobby and I ring the bell. And then we get our key cards to go into our room. And it has a beautiful clean bathroom, a very spacious area with a large bed, a mini fridge and a TV. And of course, my room had a beautiful view of the ocean, which I really loved. From there, my wife and I went for some breakfast, which was included in our all-inclusive band. The breakfast buffet was extensive and delicious. But then we decided to go for a walk to the pool. The pool was beautiful and very large, but we opted for the beach instead, and the beautiful Grafton is right across the road. From there, if you want, you can play some pool and have a drink, or take the healthy path and go to the gym, which is surprisingly large. After the gym, there's the option for spas, facials, a bath, and even a sauna if you so desire. Check them out, book your spot, guys, and hit them up on Instagram. Blessings.